Good morning student, how are you? I hope all will be well. Today we are going to start chapter 2, the silly donkey, part 4. We have done some question answer in our previous video. Glossary also we have done in our previous video. Today we will do think answer and we will fill books exercise. Got it? So take out your notebook and you can start. Okay, let's start. Yes, your D answer. Why do you think the donkey was silly? Yes. The donkey was silly. The donkey was silly because he didn't understood. Because he did not understand, because he didn't understand what Lord was kept on his back. So we can say donkey was silly. Now we will fill books exercises. Okay, so word work, making opposite with this. Yes beta, listen, here given some word. If we add in front of this, what we will make? Like this, you will you can say appear. If we write in front of this, so what will make? What will it make? We will make disappear, like this. Disobey. Yes. Discover, we can write this type. Okay, so next, listen, leave. Listen, leave, we will do sound sand. Listen, leave, we will do sound sense. Okay, your first is sound sense. Your first is, yes, the dash to our home is long and winding. We will fill here road. Okay, and second, we travel in a dash boat when we went to the Iceland. Number 3, I wear a dash in winter. I wear a dash in winter. Do you know? You wear coat. Next, we should always wash our hand. We should always wash our hand with, I told to you in EVS, soap means sabun and water. Next, Mr. Mehra took a small. Mr. Mehra took a small loan from the bank to build his house. Next, Rohan likes to boast about his new car. 7, would you like to have some? Would you like to have some toast and butter? Toast and butter. Okay. And next is, we had dash lamb for lunch. We had dash roast lamb for lunch. Okay, like this roast. You have to do this exercise in your notebook. Okay, sound sense. Read the words given in the box loud, then use them to complete the sentences. Okay, sentences below. I have write here some example like this: toss, boat, lawn, next road, next rose, next boss, next coat, and shop. Okay, I have given here some options. We will fill in the blanks. First of all, we will choose from this box this word and we will write in clear sentence. Okay, and second is you have to open page number, you have to open page number 16. Okay, here given some picture like the dust, zebra, crocodile, beach, hospital, jungle. Okay, here give some nouns like this, animals. We can say there is place and there is things. Okay, and here is given some picture. We will speak कि this type of picture is example of things, animals या person. First of all we will write First of all, we will write their name and after that we will write in front of it कि which type of this noun like this animal, place and things. So, first is your fill in the blanks, bags and things, and second we will write parrot and animal. Okay, and third we will write man and person. You can see here page number 16. Okay, number 1. Page number 16. Page number 16. Okay. Your first, write the noun for each of the picture below, then write them. Write what is name, person, place, animal, things. One has been done for you. Okay. Here given some picture. First of all, you have to write here ki like this type. This is a parrot and this is a man. Okay, and in front of we will write parrot example like this animal and man like example of person. Okay, and table like this things and cow like this animal and baby like this person. Okay, school like this place and pen like this things and kitchen like this place. Okay, so you have to fill in your book. Bag, thing. Okay, A, and B, parrot, animal. Okay, C, man, person. D, table, things. E, cow, animal. F, baby, person. G, school, place. H, pen, things. And I, kitchen. Kitchen is a place. Kitchen, place. Okay, you have to fill in your book. Next, fill in the blanks with the noun given below. Page number 17. Page number 17. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the nouns given below. Number 1, I have given here Mary, spoon, tiger, July and park. I have given here some example. Dash had a little lamb. Who had Mary? We saw a dash in the zoo. What is tiger? Okay, and C, Sam and Mia go to the where? Park every morning. And next, D, our school will open in July. And E, I need a dash, I need a spoon to eat the porridge. Okay. Here our chapter has completed. You have to do books exercise in your books, and you have to learn also glossary and question answer. You are to do all work in good handwriting. Thank you and have a nice day.